Hello friends and welcome to our review of AI Productivity Accelerator. Attention entrepreneurs, are you ready to revolutionize your business? Learn exactly how to grow and market your business without spending a bunch of time and money hiring a team. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and lost in the vast world of online business? Do you find yourself struggling to juggle multiple tasks, from emails to copywriting, content creation, social media promotion, and driving traffic? It's no secret that running a successful online business requires mastering various aspects, and it's easy to get lost and confused in the process. Now you can create marketing strategies, compelling content, and drive traffic, all with the help of AI. When they teach about AI, this is what people have to say. Let me tell you a story about Sarah. Once upon a time, there was an ambitious entrepreneur named Sarah. She had a burning desire to succeed in the world of online business. Sarah had a brilliant idea and a strong work ethic, but as she embarked on her entrepreneurial journey, she quickly realized just how overwhelming and complex it could be. Every day, Sarah found herself juggling countless tasks and feeling lost and confused. She had no idea how to write compelling copy, create captivating social media content, or drive traffic to her website. She was exhausted, burnt out, and unable to give her best to any particular task. Her dreams of achieving true success were fading away. But what if I told you there's a way to take control of your success without hiring a team or breaking the bank? Imagine a future where you have the tools and strategies to get things done faster and achieve better quality results than you ever thought possible. No more drowning in a sea of tasks, struggling to keep up with the ever-growing demands of running an online business. With the AI Productivity Accelerator, you can reclaim your time, focus on what truly matters, and watch your business thrive. Their comprehensive course will guide you through integrating AI into every aspect of your business. From marketing strategies that leverage AI to target your ideal audience, to social media content creation that helps you stand out, and AI-driven email marketing campaigns that drive conversions and nurture customer relationships. You'll also learn how to develop persuasive copywriting skills with AI-powered tools, create YouTube videos with the help of AI, craft compelling press releases, generate SEO-optimized blog articles, write persuasive ads, and even manage customer service inquiries using AI-powered tools. But they don't stop there. They understand that it's not just about using AI tools, it's about understanding how to use them effectively. Their expert instructors will provide you with invaluable insights and strategies, sharing real-world case studies that demonstrate the immense potential AI holds for your business. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a large budget to benefit from AI. The AI Productivity Accelerator is designed specifically for entrepreneurs ready to take their business into their own hands. No more outsourcing or relying on others to get things done. Now is the time to take action and invest in yourself and your business. Join the AI Productivity Accelerator today and unlock your true potential. Don't let overwhelm hold you back any longer. Say goodbye to confusion and welcome a future where success is within your grasp. When you sign up for the AI Productivity Accelerator, you'll get instant online access to a wealth of resources that will transform the way you run your online business. And as a bonus, they have some amazing bonuses just for you. Bonus number 1, AI Director of Traffic. Learn how to drive more traffic and get more leads with AI content and ads. From Quora to press releases, we'll teach you how to use AI to create traffic-generating content. Bonus number 2. AI, you. Create a virtual you in a weekend by copying your voice with AI. Multiply your productivity and get more done, from podcasts to creating course content. Bonus number 3. AI author. Learn how to write an entire book with ChatGPT in just one day. We'll share insider strategies to ensure your book captures everything you want and more. Bonus number 4. AI artist. Discover how to create jaw-dropping custom images and videos using AI tools. Elevate your personal brand, enhance your product visuals, impress your clients, and explore new income streams. Bonus number 5. One-on-one onboarding. Get started on the right foot for success with personalized guidance from one of our expert coaches. We'll ensure you have the support you need to kickstart your journey. Bonus #6 14-day launch plan. Follow our proven blueprint for success and maximize your results within just 14 days. They will guide you every step of the way. The AI Productivity Accelerator is available in 2 options: the AI Productivity Accelerator or the AI Productivity Accelerator plus AI Innovators Club plus AI Content Wizard. Choose the option that suits your needs and take your business to new heights. About Alicia. Alicia Little, an online business expert, started her first online business in college and made $500,000 in her first year. Today, she runs a successful business with her sister Lorette and a team of freelancers from around the globe, having made over 8 figures. Now, it's your turn to discover how to build a successful online business. Don't wait any longer. Click the link below to sign up for the AI Productivity Accelerator and unlock your true potential. Say goodbye to overwhelm and embrace a future of success. Take action now and invest in yourself and your business. Join the AI Productivity Accelerator today. Click the link below and start transforming your online business.